Good afternoon. My advice to all women, young girls growing up, I think first of all it's very important to have that self-belief. Don't worry about your financial background. Don't worry about where you come from. But focus your mind on what you want to achieve and what you want to accomplish in life. The stars are the limit, and it's important for you to have that self-belief. Is the most important thing. And each and every one of you have your own inner champion, and it's important for you to find that purpose and go after it. Go after your goals. Don't let anyone discourage you or say you cannot make it. So it's all about the belief, and I want to encourage all young ladies, everyone as a butterfly, to have that belief. Well, the game, obviously last night game we didn't have any conversation as yet. We have to sleep and get up for this very important day today. So, but we will regroup. It's work in progress as a management staff, as players. The good thing about being here with the Knight Riders team, there's no outside pressure, so that also helps. But as a part of the management staff, we have to keep encouraging the players. One thing for sure, the players do practice very hard. They're giving their best at practice and preparation. The results is not going in our way, but that's part of the game. But we have to still keep believing and trusting the process and have the last 6 games give it our best shot.